What's the weirdest thing a complete stranger has said to you? 1. I'm a server and as I dropped off the check to one of my tables I said, "Have a great rest of your day," like I always do, and the guy looks at me dead in the eye and says, "You don't give a shit about me." Then leaves me a 40% tip. Such a weird moment. 2. I work at a restaurant. I brought a guy his coffee and he said, "Oh bless you sir, may your birth control method never fail." 3. When me and my cousin were about 10 we were walking around Walmart. We saw a lady with dreadlocks and my cousin asked how to get hair like that. She told us you have wear a KFC bucket on your head for 2 months. 4. I got mugged once on vacation as a young teenager. This is how the conversation went. "I'm going to need whatever money you have on you kid. I got a 20 but needed to get the train home. How much is your ticket?" "About $8 or $9. "Oh that's alright. I've got change." He took my $20 bill and gave me 10 back. Not a bad mugging by any means. 5. One time a guy came up to me once and asked if I had